Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing this set of screwdrivers from Milwaukee, and we will also unbox this screwdriver holder, magnetic holder from Craftsman. So we will talk about the Milwaukee set of screwdrivers first. This is, I purchased it from Home Depot, but it's available at different stores as well. This is the 10-piece set, and the item number for this for 8222710, and this is 10-piece screwdriver set. This was $27 and a few cents. After tax, I paid $30 exactly, and the shipping was free. So they have different versions of screwdriver sets. I chose this one because it's the most number of screwdrivers and the best price. Now, of course, they have different versions and stuff like that, but to me, I have a ton of screwdrivers, so I wasn't too worried about what I'm getting. I was more interested in purchasing a Milwaukee set and doing a video on it for you guys to see. Also, I was walking at Lowe's actually today, and I found this screwdriver holder, magnetic holder, on sale, almost 50% off. It's usually $30. I paid $15, so maybe it's 50% off after all. So $15 for this. It has a magnetic back and a magnet in here. So about the screwdrivers, now they are Tri-Lobe handle. So you could, if you look at the handle from this angle, you see it has the tri shape, so it is easier to grab and put more leverage on the screwdriver, on the screw. And it is magnetic tips. All of these have magnetic tips, and they are wrench ready here. And the wrench they are talking about is this type of wrench, or the other, box end and stuff. But if you put box end in there, it's up to you. But this is what's in the picture. It has lifetime warranty, and it has the markings on the shank itself. This is the hex shank style thing. So we'll go ahead and open it with this thing here. Okay, that's one side. That's side number 2. Side number 3. Sorry, I'm making too much noise. These packaging are not easy to work with. Here you go. Got it all. Okay, take this out here. That goes into recycle. All right, let me turn more lights on since we got the reflective packaging away. There we go. All right, so we have, these are the markings they are talking about. It's on the cap of the handle. This is the Tri-Lobe handle here. It has the marking on there as well, and the shaft itself looks like very strong shaft. So we have slotted, 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 and slotted. And we have Phillips, 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 and Phillips, and 2 square drive, or Robertson drive, I think it's called sometime. All right, so yeah, and we have the Phillips here. They feel sort of rubbery. This black piece feels rubbery, and this is plastic. That's pretty good. These little tiny ones. Oh yeah, it has a lanyard hole as well. Each piece has lanyard hole if you want to hook them up to a lanyard or something. And here is the magnetic tip. It's holding the screwdriver up. All right, now let's open up this. So this one, as I said, was $15 from Lowe's. The model number on this one is CMMT99418, and I purchased this on July 22nd, which is yesterday. And if you go into, they are not available online, but if you go into your local Lowe's store, they may be on discount at your store as well if you are interested. There is this, and there is several other ones like socket holders, there is wrench holders, there is pegboard magnetic holders, all that stuff. It's about 50% off, discounted. So if you are interested, you can go check out your local Lowe's. So that's where I got this one from. I'm going to leave a link in the description for this, and this one would be for reference only because it's only in store currently. All right, let's go ahead and open this. Well, maybe I can use this as well. There we go. Okay, so here is magnetic backing on it, on the back, and on the front it has a Craftsman logo, and on the top you've got the slots where you can put screwdrivers. You can put them like so. You know, something like this. Yeah, so something like this. It has more slots available. I saw some pictures of reviews. People have like pliers in here, but of course they'll have to be some thin pliers to fit in there. But these fit nicely. So if I see more of these, I'll buy some. But for now, this is good. You know, and if you have a spot, you can hang it. So I'm gonna mount it here on top just to show you. So I'm gonna lift up my camera so you'll see it. Sitting out there on my top of the workbench here. Yeah, so that is it, guys. Nothing to it. Let's see, just to demo this. There you go. You can have it like this, and you turn it if you need more leverage. It's pretty cool. I'm guessing another way you could do it is by inserting this here and turning it. I don't know. That may be not strong enough, but you know, it's an option if you didn't have a wrench around. Alright, well, thank you so much, guys, for watching this video with me. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something nice. If you are interested in this set, as I said, I will put a link to it in the description below. It's the same thing with the holder here, the screwdriver holder on Lowe's website. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel for more videos like it. And if you have a comment or question, leave it in the comment section below and I will respond back to you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.